I still remember in my purse there was this whole plan, the site plan plus the diapers. And he was there in my lap and we were discussing, okay, this room needs to be shuffled, this room has
Rent कैसे निकलेगा?
Exactly. I was married at 20. So just after the delivery, I wanted to go to a salon, and I still remember there I went, and the towels were so stinky. Because again, the
Makes sense.
postpartum journey is very delicate. I wanted to come up, get that hygiene there. So keeping in mind, I bought a lot of brands to the city.
Okay.
See, everything, whatever I bring here, I make sure I have a very sensitive skin, I have a very sensitive hair. Each and everything placed in Styloray is tried and tested on my own self. Started, that was the biggest of Gujarat. People have that ki the mom is working now, so इसलिए बच्चे पे ध्यान नहीं जा रहा होगा. And she was like कि तुम MBA करके पार्लर खोल रही हो. So that's why beauty industry is an industry which has become a need more than just a luxury. I make sure मेरे सारे employees also have the same vision.
That's a boss answer. That's a boss answer. Hello everyone. Welcome to Aram. This is Alkesh, your host, and today we have an incredible story to share. At 20, she left her home in Jodhpur in a new city with no blueprints except for belief. She built an empire that now defines Vadodara's idea of beauty. From a young bride to a bold founder, from sleepless nights to shining salons, she has rewritten what it means to start over. Today we sit down with the lady behind Gujarat's most admired salon brands, a mother, an entrepreneur, and a force of calm, Rashmi, the heartbeat of Styloria. Hello, Di.
Hi.
How's your vibe today? And I don't expect the answer that I'm good and all. I want the version that did not make it to the Instagram.
The vibe is vibrant.
Okay.
It's like Styloria.
Oh, lovely.
So whenever I enter, so I feel my vibe has to be the vibe which my brand represent, and that also is something which my team has. So even every day I come and I ask, guys, how's the Josh?
Lovely, lovely. So first of all, thank you so much for giving us your time and agreeing to share your story. We will try to decode you basically as a person, as an entrepreneur, as well as a as a mother as well, right? So that's how our conversation will revolve around. First, I'd like to start. How does your day look like?
The day is actually very hectic if I talk in your terms, but in my terms, it's full of life.
Okay.
So
Stylo is your
exactly how I want.
Okay.
So the morning starts with on a happy note with my puppy, with my kid. Then we obviously hustle around with going to school.
Okay.
And then planning, oh, today I have to do this, and then I keep on jumping around.
Lovely, lovely. So do you have any as a fitness routine as well into your day?
Try to do that,
Okay.
though I'm not very reluctantly doing it. But yes,
Yeah, no, I understand because I and my wife has recently started this fitness journey, and when you're a working professional, it's not that easy. So when people hear about Rashmi, they basically see a brand, Styloria. So when you look into the mirror when you're home or maybe there are no lights, whom do you see? You see a woman, entrepreneur, or a mom? Like how is it?
I see all three of it.
Okay, that's a very diplomatic answer.
As a woman, always we are taught that we are supposed to do this, we are supposed to do that. So obviously that thing is there. I'm a woman, I'll be able to multitask. I'll be able to do things.
Do you think
Obviously-
multitasking is necessary?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I obviously see myself as a woman who will be able to carry everything, all the responsibilities which we are told. As a entrepreneur, obviously, so that also I see, okay, I have to do a lot of things today. So that reminds me. And then as a mother, obviously with all the hustle,
Yeah, you're never off that duty, no?
yeah. So with that, obviously I need to chill also with
Okay.
my kid.
All right. So when I and my team were doing some research about you, and we got to know about the statement that you made, it was my son and Styloria, they were born together. So I mean, just want to understand why. I mean, why that statement? I mean, what was it like? How was that phase for you? Like, if you can take us back.
My son was born in December 2021. And just after the delivery, the initial stage was a stage where I was resting. So that's when the whole idea came. Ki I want to start something different.
Okay.
Like it's a different stage of my life that I have entered. So I was planning, ki, okay, with the kid, I'll do this, I'll do that. And that's when the idea popped, ki, with him, let me try something new since it's a new phase of my life. So the idea popped when just post the delivery of him.
Okay.
And then the whole process was such. Initial days, I still remember I used to carry him in my lap and visit the architect's office.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. I still remember in my purse, there was this whole plan, the site plan, plus the diapers. And he was there with me
On the same desk.
in the same purse. And then with him, he was there in my lap, and we were discussing, okay, this room needs to be shuffled. This room has to be like that.
Okay.
So I still remember that phase. And then it's been 3.5 years of my kid, and again 3+ years for Styloria.
Lovely, lovely. It's a great example of taking care of everything that has on your plate. Do you remember your first client?
I do.
Okay.
So the first day it was, and I still remember, I was with my kid,
Alka Puri wala
Puri
branch.
one. There was this hustle, and the day started until afternoon. We did not had any client.
Okay.
So I was like, यार start तो हो गया है.
Rent कैसे निकलेगा?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then the client came. So and that time the first day सब कुछ इधर उधर रखा था. And I was again and again checking the client. Are you comfortable? Do you need anything? Are you sure what all you
Yeah.
expected? You got it. And yesterday itself, I got a call from the same client
Oh,
and
lovely.
asking कि अच्छा यार आज Sunday है. I know बहुत hustle होगा. Can I come? Can you help me with the
Lovely.
appointment? I was like, yeah, of course. You were the first.
First customer benefits, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice, sir. Nice. Thank you so much for walking us to that phase. But the अगर मैं let's say अगर वो phase की बात करें, so you must have had lot of chaos at that time because building a space as prominent as it is today, it's not that easy. Moreover, taking care of your kid as well. So in that chaos, how did the support look like to you?
I would say I was the one who started, I was the one who was leading, but each and every person in my surrounding was there for my support.
Lovely.
Even today, you see, the whole team
Yeah.
is there to help, and they'll come themselves.
Okay.
So it's right from the start, whether it is family or whether it is friends, whether it was the extended family or my own staff, which I call my family.
Lovely.
Everyone is still dead there, and they all are there 24/7. We work for 12 hours, like Styloria is there 10 to 10. Post 10 also, my manager and me keep chatting. Ki today we did that, this happened, the client said this, tomorrow
Lovely.
let's behave that way. We have that, I would say ki everybody around me is very supportive. I had
That's
been
lovely.
very
That's
lucky
lovely.
with that.
Richard Branson, he said in one of his interviews that if you take care of your employees will take care of everything. So I believe that's true.
Things,
Yeah.
We live in Gujarat, na? Garba. It goes around, comes around.
Yeah. Nice, sir, nice. Okay. Before we jump into your Styloria journey, how was you? I mean, where are you from, or maybe how was your schooling done, or the college, or anything that you would like to talk?
I would say I was very different. So
Okay.
I would start from the journey. I was born in Jodhpur.
Jodhpur.
Jodhpur,
Nice.
a small city of Rajasthan, very typical city.
Okay.
So I was there, and then from Jodhpur I did my schooling. Then I moved to Jaipur
Okay.
for my college. So there I was studying architecture. That's when I got married. I was married at 20, and then I shifted to Baroda.
Okay.
And after completing my graduation, I thought, okay, I need to study more. So I did my MBA. And post that, and during my MBA itself, I started a small startup which
Okay.
was IO Consultant. Styloria is still part of IO Consultant.
Okay.
Yeah, and initially I started with recruitment, then training, development programs, then marketing, and then with
Lovely.
Goli, the fourth kid came as Styloria.
Okay, that's great. That's great.
Yeah.
So when were you in school and you're as a college? कैसे थे आप? Are you the same as you are today, like leading from the front and taking the charge? And like how were you?
So when I was young, I still have, though I don't really like my curly hairs. So it is
Okay.
said that people with curly hairs are very artistic.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, ever since childhood, I was too much into art, coloring, and obviously I was into sports also. So
Okay.
that time itself, people around me and my parents used to say that I'm too much into art. So
Okay.
that artist in me has still not died.
Okay.
Whether it is the floor of Styloria, whether it is doing anything in terms of interiors, in terms of looks, in terms of makeup,
Okay.
I love exploring, and I still feel that keeping that artist in me, I
Lovely.
would like to keep that thing
Okay.
alive.
Okay. Cool. All right. So now, thank you so much for walking us to that, your early phase. Now let's get into this Styloria journey. Of course, you mentioned that the idea came while you were delivering your baby. How does the journey look like in the initial stage?
So
How did you
initially-
manage the maybe capital or like anything that you would like to walk us through?
So initially, I started with the idea that I wanted to get into the beauty industry, and though
Any particular reason?
being women, we are always inclined towards beauty.
Okay.
Until date, I'm very fond of shopping for makeup products, trying all
Okay.
these things, exploring new looks on myself.
What was the last thing that you googled about the skincare products or anything?
A waterproof kajal, because I have very watery eyes, so I
Okay.
needed something कि I've tried so many things, still I need something कि नहीं इसमें तो
Okay.
बिल्कुल भी smudge नहीं होना चाहिए.
Okay. Nice. All right. Now.
Yeah. Then that's all the idea came. I wanted to get into beauty industry, so I was exploring. Should I come up with a new product, Then I was just going through things, and then I thought, कि yeah, I can. The first thing that I need is a good salon,
Okay.
and just we started post COVID. So COVID was a time where people were getting too hygienic. So just after the delivery, I wanted to go to a salon, and I still remember there I went, and their towels were so stinky. I hated
Is it?
Yeah.
Would you like to share the name?
I should not do that.
Okay.
But then their towels were actually very stinky, and I was asking for them, do you have something disposable? Do you have something which you have
Yeah.
not used on anyone? Because again, the
Makes sense.
postpartum journey is very delicate. So they did not had. So that's how the idea popped, ki let me come up with something where all the problems that I am facing, people would not. So the first thing was ki a convenient space where I could take my kid and still feel comfortable.
Okay.
So right now we are serving all age groups. Then I wanted a space which is quiet, which gives me that luxury feel.
Okay.
And that time salons in Baroda were very compact.
Okay.
Like, and everything was like थोड़ा खिचड़ी टाइप कि एक ही जगह पे
Yeah.
कट हो रहा है, एक ही जगह पे
जी.
वो वॉश कर रहे हैं, एक ही जगह पे सब कुछ करे जा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
So I wanted to come up कि हाँ थोड़ा spacious हो where people could get their time and अच्छे से सारी चीज़ें हों, people could get that hygiene there. Plus, I'm still very reluctant in terms of products. कि what brand, what technology they've used. कहाँ से है ये product? If it is a US based product, I'll rely on.
Okay.
लेकिन मतलब you have that thing कि हाँ क्या technology use
Yeah.
हुई है.
That curiosity is always there. no?
Exactly. So there are few countries where we rely on कि नहीं German technology, European or
Yeah.
US based technologies are good. They are more
Yeah.
advanced. They'll be more result oriented.
Okay.
So then I went through all of that, and a lot of brands when I go abroad I see and I really like them. So every time even Baroda has that NRI public ना जब भी
Yeah.
आएंगे कि iPhone लेके आओ उसके साथ ये वाला beauty product भी ले आना,
Yeah.
यहाँ नहीं मिलता है. So that's why I wanted कि people when they come here, so all those things which they are getting outside, they get in the same city
Okay.
also.
So you take it. Okay. So keeping that NRI customer base in mind, you
Right.
have those products as well which they find comfortable in their own country.
Absolutely. So result oriented plus the products which they'll find there. Even if they explore it here, when once they go out, they'll be able to find it there as well.
Oh,
So keeping in mind, I bought a lot of brands to the city.
okay.
Yeah. So again,
So-
a salon which has
Okay.
more than 50 international brands.
Styloria,
Styloria has that.
more than 15 international brands.
50.
50.
Yeah.
Lovely, lovely. So you said there was this need of, some problems that you were facing, like basic problems, hygiene and all. You came up with a solution, and there are people, they're very conscious about products or the chemicals or whatever, is going on the skin or maybe on the hair. So how do you ensure the, safety of the customer?
Beauty industry is an industry which is just like tech industry. It keeps on changing. A lot
Right.
of new trends keep popping up. And people also come up with vague ideas. Ki, "Nahi, we saw this on Instagram, we saw this on Pinterest. Now we need the exact look."
Yeah.
So obviously everything, whatever I bring here, I make sure I have a very sensitive skin. I have a very sensitive hair. Each and everything placed in Styloray is tried and tested on my own self.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So if I have 15 brands for hair, all 15 I have tried on my own hair. If I say that I have any new service, everything has been tested on me. A lot of times even my friend says कि यार तुम ही बैठे दिखते हो हमें. So I
Yeah.
need to tell them कि I have tried it on myself. That's why I'm serving it on other.
Okay.
So even at times when I talk to the clients, so they tell me कि they are scared of doing something or trying something new. So what kind of result should they expect?
Yeah.
So I could explain them कि these things I have tried. So how I felt, the same thing they'll feel.
Lovely, lovely. We got to know about how did you start, what were the problems that you thought to solve, and now in 2025, you have 3 outlets in Vadodara, right? There are just 3 words that can, define the business. First you do, then you sustain, and then you scale. So you did it in your first year. You created that customer base. You sustained that standards and the charm that Styloria provides, and then you started scaling. And now when I see in 3 years, you have one branch in Manjalpur and at Sarabai place where we are sitting, right? What's your concept of scaling? You grow when you're ready, you grow and then, you figure out ki, now I'll, do this, do that, and then grow this branch. How is it basically?
So Styloria started with an idea. Ki I want to do this. Then few things I added with the practicality. So धीरे धीरे वैसे ही we
Like?
started. I did not plan कि 3 years, 3 branches would be.
Okay.
Obviously, everybody wants to go through that journey of expansion and all. So I started with one, and then in the city itself, we were getting clients from different places, and the
All around
other
the town.
area, Manjalpur, a lot of clients used to come from that side.
Okay.
And then they keep on saying कि यार you should
यहाँ
be
खोलो,
near
यहाँ पर, yeah.
and then I thought कि if so many people want us to be there, then why not? So that's how I planned कि okay, a lot of people are coming there and continuously they are saying कि they want us there, so then let's start there
Okay,
itself.
okay.
Then this Genda was an expansion because Alkapuri was getting very crowded.
Okay.
People, I never wanted that thing to be. So I
Yeah.
wanted कि space रहे उसमें even when people drop in. So even when I started, that was the biggest of Gujarat. So I
Oh,
had
is
to
it?
come. Yeah, the Alkapuri
That
one.
Alkapuri one.
Yeah, when I started that, we were the first.
How
to
big
start.
of that space is?
That
if
is
I may ask?
5,000 square feet.
5,000 square feet.
Yeah.
And that was getting crowded.
That was getting crowded. So I
Okay.
have to come to a 7,000 square feet area just nearby
Lovely.
to it where we
Okay.
are sitting. And again, it's an
Nice.
expansion.
So, were you trying to create just a salon or a place where women can come, not just a women, but any gender can come and have a greater experience? What was there in your mind?
So when I started, it started with something which I was not getting anywhere.
Yeah.
So when if you remember, I told you I went
Yeah.
to a salon where I was explaining them कि यार I have
ये
just
चाहिए, yeah.
into my postpartum journey. I'm very cranky and I need something. You give me hygiene. I don't
Yeah.
need stinky things. I need particular product. Why don't you have it? So all those issues I was facing, and I felt they were not giving me that comfort. They were not listening to me what I was expecting. So I came up with an idea कि okay, let me come up with something जो ये लोग नहीं कर रहे
Yeah.
हैं. Let me do that. So I make sure कि okay, hygiene है, that again luxury is there. Also with that, the first and foremost thing that Styloria does is कि if anybody is coming here for any service, we first listen to them.
Okay.
You want a haircut? I'll listen to you. What is your expectation? We have even experts here who just talk to you, understand, and then guide the team what
Okay.
needs to be done. We are not doing कि एक ही चीज़ सब पे कर रहे हैं. So even a facial is customized here. कि आपकी
Oh, is
skin
it?
oily है, मेरी skin भी oily है, but we have a different age, we have a different work profile. So products on you might not even suit me.
Yeah, true.
What your skin is facing. Supposingly your skin has not gone through any facial, so we'll go with something जहाँ पे it should not create any side effect. I am a person who keeps experimenting, so every 15 days I'm trying something new on my face. So my skin is already addicted to different types of product.
Okay.
So based on that we do. So all those things which were missing, I tried and
Lovely, lovely.
bought them.
Quite a detailed answer. If I talk about the name Stylo, how did that pop up in your mind?
So when I was going through that phase, ki I wanted to come up with something. So there is a very famous brand, L'Oreal, which I recently, I have that habit of Google, Chat GPT. So I was just googling that, and then I saw ki who is the richest women on planet. You also Google it.
Who is it?
You Google it.
Guys, who?
You have
No,
Chat
please
GPT?
do, please do. Who is the richest woman on the planet? Jeff Bezos' wife?
No.
Founder of Nykaa?
No, she
She is the richest in India only, no?
Not yet, but amongst the top 10. Why I don't know why she got the second richest.
Okay.
Earlier she was the first one,
Okay.
just the
Who is
second
she?
line. So when I did
Thank
the
God.
second one, which is showing you right now, was the
She's
first.
the granddaughter of L'Oreal founder.
Yeah. So when you always look into this, ki who has been the richest, who has been leading any industry, you'll always find it's a women from beauty industry.
Oh, is it?
You just saw.
Yeah, I just saw, yeah.
Beauty industry is an industry for everyone.
Everyone.
Yeah, and everybody's need it is.
Okay.
So
I agree. Yeah, I just thought for a
if you
second.
want
and
to
yeah.
keep yourself hygienic, you need
Yeah.
to use some or the other
True,
beauty
true, true.
product. If you want your wife to look beautiful, a lot of beauty
It's a beauty-
products
which
you
she
have
already
to
is, but
use.
yeah.
All right. So that's why beauty industry is an industry which has become a need more than just a luxury. So that's one of
Nice.
the reason. So I told you, I
Okay,
was
yeah.
Googling
Nice.
it.
Now I have the answer. I have the
So
answer.
the
Lovely.
richest was L'Oreal's owner.
Yeah.
So she started way back, and then still she's counted as planets. There's a Netflix documentary also on her. She's
Oh.
planet's richest lady and how she became. She also
is it?
started with a beauty brand, then salons, and again L'Oreal is a very famous
course.
one. So L'Oreal was there in my head. Then ever since childhood I always have that कि mirror के सामने I'll see कहीं जाना है तो I have to look very stylish.
Nice.
So style is always there.
That's
so
how the
style,
style.
L'Oreal, luxury.
And-
a
oh,
lot
nice.
of words got combined, and then randomly I was just picking up things and like L'Oreal is always there in my head. Style is there, so it became Style L'Oreal.
Oh, nice. Lovely, lovely. Thank you so much. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so, while doing all this hustle and scaling and taking care of the kid, and you're a dog mom as well, was there ever a point where you felt like you're feeling, maybe as a mother or maybe as a businesswoman or maybe
A lot of times.
really?
A lot of times.
And how do you handle that feeling?
So, when I first told the idea that I want to get into this, the first thing everybody around me told ki just now you've delivered a kid. If you get into all this, so the kid won't get the time. It's the time you need to nurture. You need to make sure ki your kid is getting into a right phase. So first and foremost, obviously, वहीं से वो start हो जाता है. India has that
I agree.
mentality.
No, because
ki
no,
nahi.
you are right, and I'll strongly second that, because recently got married. Although my mom quite understanding, but that family atmosphere or the environment is in that a way that if anything happens, I don't know why, but daughter-in-laws are expected to do certain things without
Exactly.
saying. So
Even
yeah.
today, if I say कि yeah, I cook, so people look at, really? It doesn't look. If I say कि I have done my household chores and come, so it's like कि अच्छा, अगर if you are working, you might not be doing
yeah,
the
I
household
agree, I agree.
responsibilities.
Yeah.
And again, कि there might, even if the kid does something, so people have that कि the mom is working ना,
Yeah.
तो इसलिए बच्चे पे
Yeah.
ध्यान नहीं जा रहा होगा. So obviously those negative things also are there,
Right.
and it goes hand in hand.
Yeah. How do you take care of yourself then?
I don't listen to these things.
Ah, lovely.
I know my kid is
Ignore
developing.
the problems, and
I am
problems are not there.
developing. So as long as there is a good development,
Yeah.
so we tend to.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, running a beauty brand these days is constant trends, constant reels, clients coming up with the Pinterest expectations, as you said. So how do you balance this digital noise with the consistent and the quality services?
So I had those expectations कि if I get into this, I'll be the richest one, I'll be the most
Yeah.
famous one. But when I started, I realized कि it's not easy. It's not something that can be done in one day. So if I am doing something or the other, it is just building that thing where one day I'll reach. So
One step at a
similar-
time. Yeah.
Exactly. The same thing I explained. Ki I have to stay realistic. The same thing I explained to my team. You also need to stay realistic, and the same thing we deliver to the client also.
Okay.
If you are coming, ki you've seen a beautiful haircut nowadays. Korean haircuts are very trendy.
Okay.
So people come up
Okay.
with them, with those pictures. Ki they want to look like Koreans. They want to
Okay.
have those bangs. So first and foremost, we tell them ki if you have the same texture of the hair. If I have curly hairs and I see a picture on Pinterest which is of a straight hair, obviously in the salon we can style them. हम artificially भी आपको same look दे सकते हैं.
Okay.
But before doing that time itself we tell them कि you don't have the same texture.
Okay.
Even if we do it here on the chair, once you wash it won't be same.
Spitting facts.
Exactly.
Huh?
We
Yeah.
have to be realistic,
Yeah.
na? So we explain them ki okay, you don't have the same skin texture. If I have acne and I want to have makeup like Alia Bhatt, so that is not
I agree,
possible.
I agree, yeah.
If my face shape is this and I want to look like Alia Bhatt, my face shape, my face features don't match. How would I look like her? Maybe I
Yeah.
can style. थोड़े
Agreed,
extent
agreed.
तक we can make you look like that, but we have to be realistic.
True.
That's when matlab, there's a point of spending.
Yeah.
So, and there are times when you be realistic and still we can give you matlab, very good treatments, very good hair, very good skin. So,
Good. So there is one more question that just popped up in my mind. It's impromptu. I have few friends. They are insecure. Basically, the society has put them under a place where they are not quite open to share about their skin things or the details. Let's say if someone walks into your salon, how do you take care of them? Because what I understand is if I'm talking about my friend, if I keep my friend in the mind for reference, if he or she comes in, they expect certain things: the warmth, the comfort, the psychological security. How do you take care of these things?
so a lot of times people drop in and then they say ki we want to do facial, we want to do detan, or we want to do makeup. So the first and foremost, I explain them ki we do not have any facial that will make you look fair.
Okay.
Fair and Lovely wala ad is something different. We
Now it's
don't-
Glow and Lovely. Yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
totally different thing. So, and I personally also I don't recommend कि whatever you have आप उससे एकदम different जाके कुछ करो. Even with your own skin, the skin health we can work upon. कि skin के अंदर dehydration है, pigmentation है, acne है, uneven skin tone है, dark circles हैं. हम इन सब चीज़ों पे वर्क कर सकते हैं. I have technically very strong products जो इन सब चीज़ों पे करेंगे.
Okay.
But if I say I'm dark and I want to look very fair, So that we don't do plastic surgery. We just
Yeah.
work on skin
Yeah,
health
agreed,
and hair
agreed.
health कि हम
Yeah.
उसमें क्या better कर सकते हैं,
Okay.
उनको हम कैसे better बना सकते हैं. So those things I explain them and we do it that
So
way.
communication is the key, basically, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. So, okay. Scaling concept. When we were talking about it, you said I mean, take care of a lot of things and communication. Moreover, lot many other things, that attention to details, as you said. Now, let's say when you have a customer base and you have a need to scale, you have a need to grow. Scaling, what I mean is letting go of some things, letting go of control. I understand, you are a bit that have that habit of having a control everything. So how was that phase? Because you have currently 2 branches. You have the visibility, maybe through the cameras and lot many things, but your presence is not there, right? And doesn't that make you as a
So
bit?
I told you I started this with my motherhood journey.
Hmm.
So initially when my kid was there, when he was not able to sit, so every time I used to put my hand कि नहीं गिर जाएगा,
yeah.
गिर जाएगा, गिर जाएगा. Now that he's 3.5 years old, I don't even keep him by my side. I just
Okay.
leave him. कि go play with others, see
Yeah.
their other friends, see their others. You go explore things.
Hmm.
So again, with my motherhood journey, I've learned that thing for
Oh,
my
lovely.
brand
Oh,
as
lovely.
well.
That's a
Okay.
great answer.
So the same thing. Initially, I remember we started with only 6 employees.
Okay.
So the first day was with 6, and I had just 1 person on the counter. For a year, I was still there on the counter for every billing and everything. Then I understood that we need
Okay.
to expand. I need to grow. So today my staff count is 75.
Is it?
Yeah. So I feel there are things where they are even better than me. So
Okay.
maybe the first day I was keeping my hand around the kid कि नहीं वो
Yeah.
गिर जाएगा. आज तो वो मेरे को भी ठीक से वो बैठाता है कि नहीं मामा you sit
Lovely,
like this
lovely,
with
lovely.
me.
Loved the answer. Yeah, nice. Really great.
So the same.
Okay. So, okay. Now, my follow-up question on this is, let's say when you got that customer base in Alkapuri, of course you provided certain level of charm, certain level of quality, because of which the base was very strong, right? So in the first year you did it. Another year you sustained the same quality standards. Now when you scale, how do you train your staff?
So my first startup was a recruitment firm.
Okay.
So in the recruitment itself, I learned that I should not hire someone just based on their talent or just based on their salary structure or all those things. Even till date, I take interviews myself.
Okay.
I understand if the person's attitude is towards development, because my vision is again development, कि मुझे आगे जाके और expand करना है, मुझे स्टाइलोरिया को grow करना है. I make sure मेरे सारे employees also have the same vision.
Okay.
Here itself, every day I have in-house training, I have in-house trainers. So if you don't know anything, we'll teach you.
Okay.
But if you don't have that attitude towards learning, towards growing, towards development, I cannot teach you.
Okay. Okay. So if there is a will issue, you cannot help. If there is a skill issue, you will resolve it.
Absolutely. Skill के लिए कितने सारे academies है पूरे world में. Everybody is there to help. Even हमारी industry है ऐसी जहाँ पे most of the employees are not educationally strong. आपको उनके पास कोई डिग्री नहीं मिलेगी.
Okay.
कुछ मतलब मैक्सिमम तो ऐसे हैं जो स्कूलिंग भी कंप्लीट नहीं करी है.
Okay.
But they are very good with their work.
Okay.
And whenever a customer talks about their work, it's how they understand. कि यार मुझे हेयर कट करना है. Talking about males are called very loyal customers.
Okay.
They are called loyal because क्योंकि आ रहे हैं एक बार समझा दिया, नेक्स्ट टाइम दे डोंट इवन विश टू एक्सप्लेन कि यार तू कट कर दे, मेरे को अब नहीं बताना है कि अब देखो यहाँ पे जीरो करना है, यहाँ पे बड़ा मेरे को ऐसा रखना है. So that understanding I need to develop in them.
Okay.
I need to tell them कि यार ये चीज़ ऐसे सीखोगे, इससे ये betterment होगा, तो उनको उनका growth दिखेगा, तो definitely they, Styloria, me, everybody will grow together.
So you try to basically keep everyone aligned to the vision, right?
Absolutely, I make sure कि their attitude towards my vision is same.
Lovely, lovely. Okay, so let's say when you said you have currently the staff of 75 people, right? Now let's say when the festive season come, of course the crowd is dynamic, right? And they must have the needs to celebrate the festivals with their families as well. और ये भी हो सकता है कि the crowd is so diverse that किसी को ये फेस्टिवल पर जाना है या किसी को ये फेस्टिवल पर, एंड व्हाट आई अंडरस्टैंड इज फेस्टिवल्स के टाइम पर ही यू हैव अ स्पाइक इन द walk-ins of the clients, right?
Absolutely.
So how do you manage these things?
I told you, na, I had always had employees who had vision like me. So if I am celebrating, I'll let them also celebrate. But if I am celebrating with them, I'll ask them also to celebrate it with me.
That's a boss answer. That's a boss answer.
No, not really. So the first day itself, matlab, we usually have that conversation, and there are times when we gel up together and talk about things. So we talk कि every industry has their own pattern. We are into beauty industry. संडे का दिन है जिस दिन सबसे ज़्यादा लोग फ्री हैं, वो हमारे पास आ रहे हैं. So let's be present for them, na. So we don't have that taking off on Sunday. Not I will take, neither they'll take. Sunday को मैं भी उनके साथ ही होती हूँ. Sunday is the time when I also come early. I also leave late.
Okay.
So the same thing my team understands. If in the weekdays where there's lesser walk-ins, so mostly हमारी इंडस्ट्री ही ऐसी होती है जहाँ एवरीबडी अंडरस्टैंड कि हमें हमारा काम मंडे टू थर्सडे में कर लेना है. सैटरडे संडे हमें भी कमाना है, तुम्हें भी कमाना, हमें भी चाहिए हमारे और ज़्यादा चीज़ें हम कस्टमर्स के साथ करें.
Cool. So when you started that Alkapuri wala branch first, 5,000 square feet. If I talk about that lane where you have your salon, there are multiple salons as well. If you would like to talk about your competition, who are your, stronger competitors?
I would say when I started, I wanted to come up with something unique. So I felt that the city still lacks those things. Ki people have that pattern. Though they are very good friend also of mine, I talk to them, and there's this salon called Champion Salon.
Champion?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's
Champion.
Champion.
The name is Champion.
Name is Champion.
The guy is Champion too.
I think they are the second or the third generation doing
is it?
Yeah. So
Okay.
we meet and we talk about things. So earlier they started in Alkapuri itself, and that's like 30-40-year-old salon. Yeah, earlier days, and earlier वो अकेले ही ऐसे अच्छे salon होते थे. They started with a parlor thing when it used to be वो ट्री के नीचे वाला बिल्लू बाजू वाला थिंग. तो दे वर डूइंग वेरी गुड. बट इस इंडस्ट्री में कैसा है कि एजुकेशन लैक्स. सो पीपल आर फ्रॉम नाई कम्युनिटी और फ्रॉम की फादर भी बार्बर, चाइल्ड भी बार्बर, या मदर भी वही चीज़ करती थी वही चीज़. सो दे गेट इनटू इट कि जो वो कर रहे थे वो ही चीज़ हमें करते रहना है. Till date, I am the most, I would say, educated person who got into this field.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no, I would say, postgraduate who has got into this field in the city. So that has helped me a lot to understand कि with time things will change. So earlier जहाँ पे लोग हाथ से ही मसाज करते थे, वो आप कब तक करोगे? Though it is India जहाँ पे बहुत सारा population है, बट उसमें कैसा होगा, हाथ चेंज होते ही द पर्सन विल नॉट लाइक इट. लास्ट टाइम मुझे प्रेशर चाहिए था, इस बार तुम प्रेशर नहीं दे रहे हो, आई डोंट लाइक द प्लेस, दे लीव इट. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई केम अप विद एन आइडिया कि नहीं, लेट मी कम अप विद मोर टेक्निकली एडवांस थिंग्स. तो व्हेन यू सिट ऑन माय मैनी पेडी चेयर, द चेयर इटसेल्फ हैज अ मसाजर. आपको कम ज़्यादा करना है, वहीं से ही स्विच दबा के कर सकते हो. एंड एवरी टाइम यू विल कम ना, यू विल गेट द सेम चेयर, द सेम मसाजिंग which you like.
Oh, lovely.
Even if a person is doing massage, they do with massage machine.
Okay.
So, and that machine has, जैसे अगर if I talk about back, तो back has 6 types of technically massaging techniques. My machine has all the 6 techniques.
Lovely.
So उसमें वो technically भी वो चीज़ है जो आपका issue, whether it is back pain, cervical or any such thing, तो वो उस issue को भी वो work कर रहा है. एंड देन यू डोंट फेस कि यार अब मैं इनकी कोई अलग ब्रांच पे गया, या मैं आज हूँ और आज से 6 महीने बाद आ रहा हूँ. ह्यूमंस हैव दैट टेंडेंसी ऑफ स्विचिंग टू डिफरेंट जॉब्स. सो उस केस में आपको कुछ डिफरेंट नहीं लगेगा. सो आई फेल्ट कि इंडस्ट्री अभी भी लैक करती है टू एक्सेप्ट न्यू थिंग्स. दो क्लाइंट्स आर सच जो हर न्यू ट्रेंड लेके आ रहे हैं, But then वो चीज़ I feel कि was lacking, and that's why I am even growing, क्योंकि बाकी
Okay.
नहीं कर पा रहे, I'm doing it.
Okay.
I got that idea while I was traveling abroad, when I saw salons there. So they were doing
How
all
are the
these-
salons there? I mean, how is the experience there?
they keep telling me different, मतलब every time I go, I remember अभी मैं last time भी I was at Dubai airport. I was very tired because traveling from Europe, and then मतलब there were different flights, so it took me almost 17 hours of journey, and then I stopped there and I was very tired. So I tried a salon on the airport itself, and I went there for a massage, and there again they did that. While they were massaging one leg, they were using acupressure tools, and not just their hand.
Okay.
They were wearing gloves, and then on the other leg they put a massager machine. So मुझे दोनों leg में अच्छे से massaging
Nice.
हो रही थी. So those things I adapt. I started the same year.
Lovely.
तो अलग-अलग places पे whatever I like, I do
Okay.
it here, so that people get everything what they need. And we
You already answered my follow-up question, which was how do what differentiates you from your competition? But that's already answered.
adaptability,
Yeah.
technically advancedness. that
Lovely,
we
yeah,
have.
lovely. Okay. So, okay, if Stylorec could speak, what would it scold you for and thank you for?
It would scold me for maybe being too much reluctant on things.
Okay.
That if I wanted to be open at 9, nobody can get late.
Right.
No, I've
Okay.
told my customers we'll be
Okay.
there for you.
Yeah.
So I have that thing, कि नहीं, I want these things properly. I have an OCD for cleanliness.
Okay.
So everything should be clean.
Nice.
So maybe too much into things that the
Mhm.
child needs कि अब थोड़ा relax
Okay.
कर दो. So maybe they'll scold me for that कि you are a very strict mom.
Okay.
And then thank me for everything I'm doing.
Okay. Lovely. Okay. So if your son watches this episode 10 years later, what would you like him to understand as a woman behind this entrepreneur and the mom as well?
When my child was born, when the society says कि as a mother, for next few years people take a break from their career, especially the moms, they stay at home. From a working woman, they become a housewife or a person who takes care of the child in the house. I did not do so. So I want my child to understand that I did not took a pause. I kept going, and that thing is for his own future.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Lovely. Lovely. Okay, this is very cliche, but I feel it is important, and I ask this to every game changer and the doers whom I cover. So what is that one advice you'd like to give it to yourself, the younger self?
I was from Jodhpur,
Yeah.
and again, people in Jodhpur, especially women, there we are. मतलब Rajasthan, you know ना how it is. कि
My wife is from
नहीं-
Kota.
नहीं आपको मतलब थोड़ा पर्दे में रहना है.
Okay,
You need to
yeah.
talk. You cannot go anywhere. ऐसे नहीं करो, वैसे नहीं करो. Too strict things
जी.
in the society there. So I think the younger self was like that कि नहीं what मम्मा क्या कहेंगी,
Okay.
वो आंटी क्या कहेगी ये करेंगे तो.
Oh.
My parents will scold me if my relatives see me doing it. So that was a time which मतलब I felt in my younger self was stopping me to do things, not letting me do anything. So now I feel I got into that fearless mode. कहने दो किसी को भी कुछ
Nice.
भी. Let them say कि यार इतना education करके भी तुम ये parlor salon वाले industry में गए. So I was like, let them say, I'll prove them. Even initially I remember I told the idea of the salon setup to my mom. And she was like कि तुम MBA करके पार्लर खोल रहे हो, ये तो वो लोग करते हैं जो
मैं-
पढ़ते लिखते नहीं है, तुमने पढ़ाई करी
These were your mom's words?
Yeah. And then I had to explain कि मम्मा मैं बाल नहीं काट रही हूँ. I'm managing it. and it's not a regular small parlor जो लोग घर पे कर
Yeah.
रहे ऐसे कुछ. I have come up with a new thing. It's a luxury thing. This is something the city doesn't have.
Nice.
And after a year, she came to the salon.
Okay.
She understood it. That's when even she started telling things to my relative कि हाँ अब कुछ सही करिए. Otherwise she was
Nice.
like मैं तो किसी को बताऊंगी
Nice.
भी नहीं कि तुम ये कर रहे हो. तुम कोई
Nice.
corporate life ले लो.
Yeah, right.